Well, I'm working my way back to you, babe, with a burning love inside. Yes, I'm working my way back to you, babe, and the emptiness that died, I let it get away. So first of all, I'm sorry about the audio quality on this video. There's fans going on in the background, and not much I can do about it. But the question du jour is the lottery worth it? And depending on your definition of worth it, you need to put a monetary value on the lottery ticket. So if we can calculate the value of a lottery ticket, we can figure out how much we should pay for a lottery ticket, which would in turn tell us if it is worth it. So if you think about what makes a lottery ticket a good investment or a bad investment, it is a couple of things. How much money do you expect to win with said lottery ticket, and how much did you pay for it? That's like any investment. You invest however much money into Apple, do you expect to have more money at the end of your investment than when you started? So let us take a look. So here's a probability distribution for a made-up lottery game, and let's just see how much this lottery ticket would be worth. So let us calculate the expected value. So take a second, pause your video, and calculate the expected value. By the way, I'm also sorry for the bad Frankie Valli impersonation. And shout out to those of you who knew that song was by the Four Seasons. Much appreciated. So when you calculate this sum, this is going to give you your expected value. And that expected value tells you not how much you're going to win for a single lottery ticket, but if you buy many lottery tickets, on average, how much do you win per ticket? So by my calculations, that is 1.18. So that means that is the true value of a lottery ticket. So that is one ticket. Running out of room. Wow. So, if you were an investor and you wanted to, for some reason, invest in the lottery, which is probably a bad idea, you wouldn't spend any more than $1.18 for this lottery ticket. Because in the long run, you'll lose money if you spend more. So if you are someone who runs the lottery, you would sell this for probably $2 per ticket. And if you were someone looking to buy, then you would hope that it would be less than $1.18. Let's take a look at another example. Let's consider one more problem, and then we will move on to greener pastures. Let's suppose that you are working for the Wisconsin Lottery. And let's say that we were going to sell those lottery tickets for $1 per ticket, but we wanted to earn 50 cents every ticket. And let's say that 10% of the time the player is going to earn their money back. So that 10% of the time is in this middle column. That's the 10% where they earn their money back. So let's try to use an equation to figure out what probability we should assign to the $100 winning. So we know in general the equation would be mu is y times 0 plus 0.1 times 1 plus x times 100. Yes, and I didn't run out of room. Awesome. So we know that on average we want the lottery ticket to cost to have an average value of how much? Let's see. Well, on average we want the ticket to cost $1, and we want to earn 50 cents per ticket. So do we make the average value 1.5 or 0.5? Ding, ding, ding. We want it 0.50. Y times 0, this simplifies to nothing. So that pretty much goes away. So we have 0 plus 0.1 times 1 is 0.1. And then we have x times 100. There we go. So we just need to solve this equation. So we have 0.4 is 100x. Divide both sides by 100. And we get x is 0.004. So, to fill in our results, we want the probability of winning $100 to be 0.004. So about 4 in 1,000, which happens to be, simplify that fraction, about 1 out of 250 tickets we want to win $100. So there we go. That's how you would make this lottery ticket, and that's how you would price it. Hope you are having a phenomenal day. Hope that the world is full of sunshine and warmth. Hopefully your pets don't bite you today, and all that jazz.